Hey, it's Tammy again. I'm back with another video. In this video, you guys, I just want to listen to listen. In this video, what I'm going to talk about is something that is so good. I think you guys are going to really like this. You're going to love it. Trust me. We're going to talk about liquid chlorophyll. Now, disclaimer. Besides the one earlier, anything that I suggest and that I talk about in my videos, I am not asking you guys to buy these products. I have no stake in any of these products. I'm not making any money. But what I am doing is I'm sharing with you the benefits that I've gotten from these products. Liquid chlorophyll. And this isn't the only brand that I've ever used. I've used other brands because if you go to a health food store, you'll find so many different brands. But this just happens to be the last brand that I used. This is an empty bottle. I have a brand new bottle and I keep it in the refrigerator. Once you open it, you want to keep it in the refrigerator. It is liquid chlorophyll. This is the peppermint. And liquid chlorophyll is awesome. It's really great. Liquid chlorophyll helps to improve my digestion. It's helped me with weight loss. It's protecting of my skin health. Primarily, chlorophyll is considered a superfood, and that is because of a strong antioxidant and anti-cancer effect that it actually has. Liquid chlorophyll. Chlorophyll, if you guys know anything about botany, plants, chlorophyll is in every green leafy vegetable that there is. Chlorophyll is what gives vegetables, flowers, plants, grass their color. It is actually the bloodline. It's coming to me now. It's the bloodline of plants. I hate when I keep saying Chlorophyll is the plant's pigmentation. That's what chlorophyll is. Why is it good for us as people to ingest it? Well, because we are living beings. We should be eating and ingesting things that are good for us as a whole. I use this because chlorophyll gives your body additional oxygen to your blood. That's right, it feeds your blood. It gives you additional oxygen. Let's see, also, the pigment in the vegetation creates a photosynthesis. Did I say that right? Yes. Which creates energy. So also liquid chlorophyll, or you can buy chlorophyll in a powder form. I've bought it in a powder form several times from a lot of my bulk herbal companies, Whole Foods, mom and pop health stores, a lot of things. They also say that chlorophyll is also linked to natural cancer prevention. That big C word, cancer. I don't want anyone to get afraid of that word. That word is so common and so prevalent these days. Any and everything that we use that is going to be of health benefit will help you with an anti-cancer preventative maintenance. But first, before you even use chlorophyll or any other agent when it comes to cancer prevention, I want you to know you have to stop all negative, dead, unliving foods. What we want to do is we want to over-inundate ourselves with fresh, leafy vegetables, fruits, lots of water. Do not underestimate what clean filtered water will do for your body. Clean filtered water does amazing things for your body. It helps to hydrate you, first of all, because any and everything on our body, in our body, on top of our skin, whatever, needs hydration. It helps to bathe your cells. It will help to bathe and move those cancer cells to your kidney and out your body, or to your colon and out your body, or in your skin and out your body. That's what water does. Water is a carrier of toxins. Water hydrates you for sustainable life. Water and chlorophyll mix very, very well. You need to start looking this stuff up, you guys, and working this stuff into your regiment, working this stuff into your life. Here are 5 proven chlorophyll benefits. I'm going to read my notes, okay? Can't be a good researcher without making notes and sharing them with my loved ones here. Five proven chlorophyll benefits. It helps to fight cancer. They say that studies have found that chlorophyll and liquid chlorophyll, powdered chlorophyll, liquid chlorophyll, is a good mixture to be used as a supplement. It's often called, again, chlorophyll. Chlorophyll can bind to potential carcinogens and interfere with how they are absorbed in the human gastrointestinal tract. It helps stop them from being circulated throughout the body, and it helps the tissues in your joints and your heart. Chlorophyll is an antioxidant, like we were just talking about. It helps to cleanse the liver. It is also a good metabolism booster. In order to get these things to be a good metabolism booster to help you with your gastrointestinal flora and everything, you have to use it. So how do you use chlorophyll? How do I use it? I use it every morning. I do a tablespoon, but if you've never taken it, I would always suggest do a teaspoon. Start off with a teaspoon and work your way up. I do a tablespoon in the morning, and then I may do a tablespoon later on in the evening. It gives you energy, so I don't take it so close to the evening, but I do take it in the evening. Hold on, there's a couple other things. It improves liver detoxification. Chlorophyll does. All right. It helps in removing bodily toxins. It's a I'm just reading somewhere. Ooh, right here it says, ooh. It helps to reduce the risk of hepatitis B. It speeds up wound healing. That's if you take this on a daily basis. I mean, you can't take everything every single day. Do chlorophyll at least 3 or 4 times a week. You know what I mean? It helps with ulcers. Chlorophyll benefits, helps to fight cancer, improves liver detoxification, speeds up wound healing, improves digestion and weight control, and it protects the skin. Weight control is one of the big reasons that I enjoy using chlorophyll. All right, so they want to tell us how chlorophyll works. What I will do is guide you to a video that also talks about liquid chlorophyll, but all I wanted to do was jog your interest in learning more about liquid chlorophyll and what it can do for you, because I know what it does for me. And I just want you guys to get in on all this good healing. This is Tammy from Journey for Your Health. Know that I love you. Know that I care. I truly care about you. And we'll talk more about liquid chlorophyll and other things. I do have a question for you. Do you use liquid chlorophyll? And if you do, please put in the comments below what it's done for you, so other people that are reading it can see the benefits that you've reaped, that I've reaped, and that they can reap. Know that I love you. Know that I care. I truly care about you. You know I do. I'll talk to you guys real soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and put your notification on for new videos. Share this video with a friend, because I'm sure someone else needs this just as much as you and me. Bye.